Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to merge different Windows editions into a single install.esd file. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To merge different Windows editions into a single install.esd file, you can use the Deployment Imaging Service and Management tool, DISM. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Prepare the environment. Create a working directory. For example, create an ESD folder inside the C drive. Copy the Windows editions needed, for example, Home 11 install.esd and Pro 11 install.esd files, to this directory. Our videos on how to check the edition, version and build number of Windows ISO, how to extract a specific Windows edition from an install.esd file or install.wim file, how to convert a Windows install.esd to an install.wim, and how to convert a Windows install.wim to an install.esd might help you. The links are in the description below. Merge images one at a time. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Export the first image, Home 11 install.esd, to a new install.esd file by running the following command. Export the second image, Pro 11 install.esd, to the same install.esd file by running the following command. Replace the values based on your needs. Source image file, path to the install.esd file. Source index, index number of the edition you want to extract. Destination image file, path where you want to save the install.esd file. Compress recovery, compress the install.esd file to the recovery level. Check integrity, ensures the integrity of the images. Verify the combined ESD file. Check the contents of the new combined install.esd file to ensure both editions are included by running the following command. Replace CESD combined install.esd with the path to your combined install.esd file. Note: if you want to use the combined install.esd directly, copy and paste it into the sources folder inside the Windows installation media. Then delete the original install.esd or install.wim file. Don't forget to rename the extracted combined install.esd file to install.esd. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.